dive into Mind Syrup, your sweet spot for science and technology enlightenment.
Have you ever pondered the mystery that is chronic fatigue syndrome? A phenomenon that leaves millions around the globe feeling persistently tired and drained. And it's not simply about being sleepy. It's a complex disorder, and scientific studies have recently shed light on its intriguing connection with our immune system and gut microbiome. Consider, if you will, our immune system. It's a robust network of cells and proteins that defends the body against infection. But what happens when this powerful defense mechanism undergoes a shift? In the case of chronic fatigue syndrome, the immune system may overreact to a perceived threat, leading to inflammation and subsequently a state of constant exhaustion. The National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, for instance, discovered lower levels of catechols, molecules that help regulate our immune response, in individuals with chronic fatigue syndrome. Visualize a busy city center. Now imagine if the traffic lights started malfunctioning, causing chaos and confusion. That's similar to what happens when catechols decrease in our body. This disruption can lead to a decline in the activity of a brain region known as the temporal parietal junction, or TPJ, especially during motor tasks. The TPJ is like the traffic controller of our brain, and when it's not functioning optimally, it can contribute to feelings of fatigue and exhaustion. But the story doesn't end with the immune system. The gut microbiome, a vast ecosystem of trillions of bacteria living in our digestive tract, also plays a significant role. A healthy gut microbiome is like a well-tuned orchestra, playing a vital role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. But when this delicate balance is disturbed, it can lead to what's known as dysbiosis, a state of microbial imbalance. Studies have linked dysbiosis to a plethora of health issues, including chronic fatigue syndrome. So, in essence, chronic fatigue syndrome is not just about feeling tired. It's a complex interplay of immune system changes and gut microbiome disruptions. It's about molecular traffic lights going haywire and orchestras playing out of tune. It's a call to pay more attention to our body's intricate systems and the delicate balance we need to maintain for optimal health. Understanding these connections and changes is a significant stride towards deciphering the enigma that is chronic fatigue syndrome. It paves the way for more effective treatments and, hopefully, a future where no one has to live in a constant state of exhaustion. So, the next time you feel an unexplainable, persistent fatigue, remember, it might not just be about needing more sleep. It could be your immune system and gut microbiome trying to tell you something. And perhaps it's time we all listened a little more closely.
Cherish knowledge, give a thumbs up, hit subscribe, explore science and tech.